Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix update required for cellular data on iPhone. Struggling with the update required for cellular data error on your iPhone, this common issue can usually be resolved with a few quick fixes, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Whether it's toggling airplane mode, updating carrier settings, or even resetting your SIM card, this guide walks you through the each steps to get your cellular data back up and running smoothly, perfect for those seeking straightforward solution without the tech jargon. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is quick airplane mode reset. A quick and effective method to resolve cellular data issue is toggling airplane mode on and off. This process refreshes your device network connectivity, potentially eliminating the update required for cellular data message. To perform this reset, either swipe down to open the control center and tap on the airplane icon, or navigate to the settings and then tap on airplane mode toggle button to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is current settings update. To check for any available updates, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general and then tap on about. If there is an update pending, you will be prompted to install it. If you don't immediately see an update notification, re-enter the about page few times, as this can sometimes trigger the update prompt, and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. Persistent problems might find their resolutions in a simple restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is ensure iOS is up to date. Occasionally, the root of cellular connectivity issues lies in the outdated software. Ensure your iPhone runs smoothly and without glitches. Regularly check for iOS update. Access this feature by heading to settings, scroll down, tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there is an update available, proceed to download and install it, thereby optimizing your device for both performance and connectivity, and you are done. Step is reset network preferences. Encountering persistent issues with cellular data may require a reset of your network settings. Comprehensive reset removes all current network configurations, including Wi-Fi connection, VPN settings, and saved password. To initiate this reset, navigate to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, next tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset and then reset network settings. Remember, this will necessitate reconfiguration of your network connections, such as re-entering Wi-Fi password, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of required for cellular data on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.